Welcome back. Early in our engine development program, we noticed something very troubling. During a teardown, we found wear marks on the underside of a valve cover, wear that suggested the camshaft was contacting it. So we dug deeper, and what we found absolutely shocked us. Find out what was causing the wear and how Cannonball engineered the perfect solution on this episode of McLaren's Engines 101. At first glance, the factory valve cover design is actually very clever. Both valve covers are essentially the same, simply mirrored from one side to the other. From a design and manufacturing standpoint, that approach saves time and simplifies production. Inside the valve covers are stiffening ribs, strategically placed to clear the different spacing between the intake and the exhaust camshaft lobes. On one bank, those ribs are positioned exactly where they need to be. On the other, the internal structure never got mirrored, so the ribs are out of place. This allowed the intake cam lobes to make contact with those ribs. Not catastrophically, but enough to remove material. That material is plastic, and once it's removed, it has to go somewhere. Some material is captured by filtration, some circulates for a longer period of time, and perhaps that contamination contributes to wear patterns that are often labeled as random or unexplained. Through our inspections, we've seen this contact occur consistently across every V8 engine that we've disassembled. The same marks, the same wear pattern, the same plastic material introduced into the oiling system. What's important is that this isn't a one-off observation, it's a repeatable finding seen across all models and generations. Even when looking at the newest platforms, part number analysis shows the same valve cover design is still used. This is where experience and capabilities make the difference. At Cannonball Garage, our engine development work isn't just about building power. It's about understanding why things wear, how systems interact, and how small design details can have long-term consequences. Which brings us to the solution, the CSO billet aluminum valve covers. If you own a V8 McLaren, you need these valve covers, designed to eliminate internal contact entirely, remove plastic from the equation, and protect the engine's oiling system, a solution developed from real-world experience, not speculation. This is what happens when you look deeper, this is what happens when you ask why, and this is how Cannonball Garage transforms real-world insight into engineered solutions. Thank you for watching.